Every cookware has a story of fire, of artistry, of workmanship. A story etched in the very metal. Here you will see tradition and innovation beautifully intertwined, guided by precision engineering. And through it comes the transformation of excellence, from raw materials to timeless masterpieces. Here, every piece scrutinized, every detail perfected. Where quality is the only word spoken. And that quality, it becomes your voice, your brand, written in history. Custom designs, unique finishes, cookware that tells your story. A world of possibilities made with expertise and skill. We are Elkitch for you.